Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Here I'm going to show you how I install my Garmin 93 SV in my HOBIE Pro Angler 12. I already took the components out here and just kind of laid them out. And now I'm going to go ahead and take off the bottom piece, go ahead and get ready to put the transducer in. And so basically I just started by measuring everything, kind of checking it out, see what was going to work. And then decided to go ahead and install it by just trimming the pieces down a little bit to get it to fit. So here I decided I would go ahead and just use the existing Lowrance bracket and actually use the bolts that came with it. It did fit pretty well. As you'll be able to see in the next portion of the video, you'll see how I was able to mount it perfectly fine. It was a little tight, but I got it to sit in just right, which made it usable. I don't believe that the side scan is going to work, but I'm okay with that for now. As you can see here, it fits pretty well. It sticks out just a little bit more than normal, but I think it's acceptable. It's not going to rub anywhere. So I decided to use the existing ram mount that I had with the 1-inch ball while I wait for my other one to come in. So I took these the existing bracket that comes with Garmin, made some small modifications, and then kind of made it work. In this part here, you'll see where I decided to heat shrink all the cabling to kind of get it all nice and neat. Here she is installed before I decided to get the new bracket in. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.